In this video, I'll go through how to create an email receipt to a customer within Sales Screen. Currently, you may have a number of options, and one of which is email to customer. But before we can actually send an email to a customer, we would need to set it up. So let's go through how to set up the email to customer option. Go to Maintain, System Admin, Intelligent Functions, till Print Setup. Now, these are the options that are currently displayed within the Sales Screen as a print option, and email to customer is one of them. You actually now have the ability to remove the items or the receipt types that you don't actually need. For example, if you're in the head office where you don't have a docket printer, so within the head office functionality, you can actually remove the receipt types of print. So all you need to do is drag and drop these items, and one by one I can remove these items out, including that one. So we can also create a hierarchy of which one is actually displayed first and as a default. So at the moment I have email to customer up top, and I will save that. And as you can see, there are other branches which obviously I can actually modify these unconfigured as well as configured printers, dictate what's actually shown on the sales screen. So before we can go ahead and email, we actually need to set up an email template as well. So we go back to Maintain, System Admin. Now select the email template option, and we need to create a template for the invoice. So in this case, we need to create one for sale invoice, which is the one that the sales screen uses to actually send the email for. So we'll give it a template name. Sale email invoice is good enough. Subject, receipt from Myco, being your company name, will be entered there. Message body is just a simple one. Attached is your invoice. And footer, thanks for shopping at Myco. And we do need to create at least one default. If you have multiple emails, then one has to be selected as a default and the others will be optional. So default, click OK. Here's our sale invoice template created, which basically means we can go to sales screen and as we set up earlier, here's our options of receipting at head office. Email to customer is up top because we moved it up top. So let's make a sale and see what the email looks like. Sales rep, I'll choose a product that I'm going to sell. Just select any item. So it's an invoice for service fee. Now, I can actually finalize the sale by clicking cash. And because I haven't selected a customer, it comes up with a blank email. So I can just type in an email. And in fact, I can put a colon and enter another email if I was to say ABC at ClickPOS, whatever it may be. So in this case, we'll just leave it as that. If we did select the customer, the email will be displayed automatically here. So the customer's email, you can override it or enter new emails or additional emails as such. So now I will just click OK. It is now sending the email. It has sent it. And now let's check our email. And I've created a little receipt area. We should get the email just any minute now. And here we go. So ClickPOS has sent this email to the customer on your behalf. And as you can see, the message body contains some of the things that we've typed in. Attached is the invoice. Thanks for shopping at Myco. And here's the PDF formatted invoice number. Your company details are there, invoice number. There's no customer that we selected. Here's the hourly rate and other information that you've got in your invoice. It is also important to note that the from email address is taken from your store setup. Let's have a look at where that is. So go to maintain, system admin, store maintenance, and we're emailing from head office. So it will take the email address from the store setup to use as the from email. So it's important to have that particular email address there.